Be kind, spread love. Be kind, spread love.
Buongiorno amici. Today we're heading down to Taormina. Here in Sicily and Messina and Catania, where we are right now, has been telling us we have to go to Taormina. We have to go to Taormina. It's the place to be. People watching, nice beaches, beautiful scenery. So today we're finally heading there by bus. We're taking Etna transport, which was 550 euro, which is a really good deal, and it's going direct there. So today's going to be a special day. We're going to be honest and tell you, is it really worth going to Taormina? Like everyone says, it's a place to be. So enjoy this video and let's see how the day unfolds. That's the bus. Etna Transport. We arrived in Taormina, took about an hour and 25 minutes. There was some lots of twists and turns getting here. Crazy, amazing driving by the bus driver, and also the bus had to pull back a bit, reverse, because another bus couldn't fit on one of these curves. It's crazy, but we got here. Beautiful ride, quite chilly in the bus. No USB outlet as well, so take that in consideration. It's time to explore. Beautiful views, by the way, beautiful views. Look at this view. Wow.
Oh my God.
This is gorgeous. This is, it's very nice. Un video di questo? For YouTube, grazie. Look at this. All delicious local treats right here in Taormina. Grazie ancora, eh? Wow. I want to eat everything. Deliciousness. Buona giornata. Instagram, right here. Roberto Special Fruit. He's on Instagram as well, as you can see. So follow this guy. Delicious.
Shipping in the world.
Cheapest in the world. And your English is good. I like it. Grazie. A dopo. Ciao. There's great prices here so far. Even a bouteille d'acqua, €2. That's pretty good. I'm sorry, it's really good.
Okay, yeah. So less similar but different. Okay. Yeah. Yeah.
Very good to know. Very good prices.
It's our first time.
Yeah. No, this is really nice. Wow. the gardens.
So happy to be in the right place at the right time. We were able to do a proposal video for the couple. Please check it out. Link is top above.
You stay in line? This is a famous place. Oh no. Famous place. The gelato. For granita. We made it.
Cafe and mandorla.
Almond coffee with cream or without?
Just a little bit of cream.
Poco poco.
Poca panna, ok.
Poco panna. Io fragole e arancina?
Orange.
Orange, yes. Con
Orange
poco
and
poco.
strawberry, poca panna.
Smallest side street ever. We finally found it. Famous town square. Ta-ta-da-ta, ta-ta-da-ta. Taormina, quite impressive. Definitely not like Capri. Totally different. Now I understand why all the locals from Catania, Messina told us to come here. Qualcosa di speciale. Okay, we bought, what do you call this?
Cableway.
Cableway in English here. It's, it's $10 down, $10 up. I believe actually it might be more expensive just for one way.
Yes, I think it's $6.
Six. No, not for one way. Is it? Oh, okay, whatever. Pretty good. don't forget to like and subscribe.
Oh,
See it.
okay. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Hi Bye Travel. We out. Peace. Be kind, spread love. Be kind, spread love.